Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Pyrex 3-piece classic glass bowl set. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a 3-piece classic glass bowl set of mixing bowls, and they come in 3 different sizes. So they measure 21, 17 and 14 centimeters in diameter, or 2, 1 and half a litre in capacity respectively. And they also come with a 10-year guarantee. And taking a look at the back of the box, there are a list of features and specifications for these glass mixing bowls in the classic design. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, pulling out the box tab that's keeping the box lid securely closed. So let's pop that out and flip up the box lid and take a look directly inside the box. Let's slide the contents out very carefully and making sure nothing else is left in the box. We can set the box to the side of the frame. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame right there, and let's focus on the set of 3 classic glass mixing bowls here. So we're just going to set it down, give you a clear view as they are, and with the box packaging on the side, let's pop the 3 glass bowls out, or the 2 glass bowls nested within the larger one. And just checking, and we can set the packing paper to one side. So as you can see, 3 different sizes of the Pyrex 3-piece glass bowl set right there in the 21, 17 and 14 centimeter diameters, or 2 liters, 1 liter or half a liter capacity. It's right there. All 3 bowls. So they are scratch resistant and they are freezer, microwave oven and oven safe, and they are BPA free or bisphenol free as well. So in terms of size, you can see this is the largest one in the set of 3 mixing bowls with the 21 centimeter diameter right across. So giving you some idea of the size, putting my hand in the bowl, you can see that it just about fits inside the bowl right there. And I'm just going to do some slight arrangements right there, and this time around resting the bowl in the palm of my hand. So this is the one with the largest size and capacity, with 2 liters of holding capacity for mixing. And in terms of weight, it does have a reasonably light weight to it, so it doesn't feel too heavy. And just giving you a look close up on the underside of the bowl. So there is Pyrex branding on the underside, and let's see if we can get the camcorder to focus right there. And you can see right there, molded or pressed in the base of the bowl is the Pyrex branding with a Made in France label as well. So it is completely smooth on the underside, and as I mentioned, this set of 3 mixing bowls, they are scratch resistant. And let's feel, so the text right there, or the branding, can be felt on the inside of the bowl, so it does protrude out from the surface on the inside. However, on the underside, it is completely smooth right there, as you can see, with the light reflecting flatly on that on the side of the base. So right there, giving you a good overall look at one of the three Pyrex 3-piece set of mixing bowls. So this is the medium size with the 17 centimeter diameter across and a 1 liter capacity. So right there, once again, we have the Pyrex branding on the bottom or on the side of the base. I'm giving you some idea of the size. This time around, I'm not able to fit my hand in this bowl. Right there, giving you some idea of the depth as well. And right there, and moving on, this is the smallest one with 0.5 liter in capacity and measuring 14 centimeters across in diameter. And this time around, giving you an idea of the size right there. So fairly light in weight, and there are, once again, a list of features and specifications on the sticky label for this small or smallest bowl in this set of 3 classic glass mixing bowls. So right there, right across, made in France with a -40 to 300 degrees Celsius temperature range. It is also extremely resistant to thermal changes, and it does have a 10-year guarantee as well. And it's freezer, dishwasher, microwave oven, and oven safe as well. So all kinds of safe for your cooking or prepping. And with that 10-year guarantee, it does come in very handy. So giving you an idea, of course, of the thickness of the bowls as well. So I'm putting the rims of the small and medium-sized bowl next to each other. Hopefully you can see them. I'm trying to level them up as best I can. Right there, giving you some idea, and you can hear the clinking of the glass as well as I tap them against each other. So they are scratch resistant, so don't really have to worry too much about dirt or damage on the bowls. Right there, you can see all 3 bowls, 2 of them nesting within the largest bowl right there. Okay, and this time around, giving you a look at the 3 sizes and the thickness of the glass of the 3 classic mixing bowls. So a nice pale blue color, as you can see on the rim of the bowls right there. And okay, just giving you another look right there. So they do have a nice weight, and with that 10-year guarantee and being very, very durable for under all kinds of cooking conditions, they are quite a nice set of bowls to have in your arsenal of cookware. So right there, giving you a look at all 3 sizes, smallest to largest from the left to the right. So that's the Pyrex 3-piece classic glass bowl set. Thanks for watching and happy mixing!